Short video showing my 57 Ford Skyliner retractable hardtop with my custom rocket tail lights. One of them has the clear Cadillac lens, the other one has the red Cadillac lens. I think I'm going to use the clear, but easily can change from clear to red. You can see the green lens. I have high reflector red tape around it and a corn cob light LED that shows red through the green lens. My camera is not showing the green properly, but it's a little greener than what it's showing. Anyway, they should look cool outside, but that's my little touch of Christine to my taillights. Easily change back to the factory lenses. There we go.